Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. And right now we'll be discussing about HTML lists. This is a new section also in our HTML beginners to advanced in HTML elements. In our previous tutorial, we have discussed about HTML tables along with the table data, the table header, table rows, table code groups, table column, table col, and so on. We have discussed how to style it and different things you can know about it. You can check our playlist on this channel so you can be able to follow along. So quickly, this is a new section on HTML lists also. We are going to find all this in our playlist also. So quickly, let's continue our discussion. HTML lists allow web developers to group a set of related items in lists. For example, we have an unordered HTML list. They have dots like this, and you can see the item. You can write the item, and we have what an ordered HTML list. As you can see, this is having 1 2 3 here, right? Quickly, let me show you how it works in our document. This is it. We are having this is the code. We are having an ordered list and we are having ordered list. Let's check it in our browser. Can you see? This is the unordered list, and this is an ordered list. So I will show you how all this works in our next tutorial. We just started, and this is just an introduction to the HTML list. So quickly, let's continue, and I think we are going to stop here right now, and we are going to meet in the next tutorial. Have a great day. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name. Bye bye. Thank you.